I'm about to preview the new Guardians of the Galaxy ride, Cosmic Rewind. To be honest with you, I'm a little bit nervous.
Two galaxies are actually moving closer to each other. Thanks to the Guardians that Xandar is reaching out to other cultures across the galaxy.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the cosmic generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of EPCOT, EPCOTers, EPCOTians, citizens of EPCOT. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, EPCOT Terrans. That we have never teleported Terrans before. Stand by for teleportation. Is everyone in? Here we go.
What you see before you is the cosmic generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it? Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I've been watching Terrans for This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, whoa, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where, when.
Some kind of new jump.
So we're gonna sit here and talk about this ride I just got off of, eating some popcorn. Gonna have a chat in the Connections Cafe. It's brand new. Well, new, I don't know if it's brand new, but on the other side of this wall there's a Starbucks. You can order some burgers and fries and things like that, some quick service food. So, just a place to sit and chat. Got plenty of tables in here, by the way. Okay, so I want to give you guys an overview of Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. Let me preface all this by saying I am not a roller coaster person. They terrify me. So I did this, really scared. I just want you to know that it is a very fun ride. It is a thrilling ride. Those of you who are Scaredy-Cats like me, there are no huge drops in this ride. What the ride makes up for in drops, it has speed, in other words. It doesn't have big drops, but it has speed. It is very fast. So if you have ridden Space Mountain here in Disney World, it's like Space Mountain times 150. It's like a very grown-up super version of Space Mountain. So if you can ride Space Mountain, you can ride this, unless you are prone to motion sickness, because this thing twists you all the way around while you're on the track, and you are positioned for different scenes in the ride. At one point there is something in the middle of the track and you're like going around it, and your car faces that object in the middle as you're going around. So if you tend to get motion sick, this will mess with you big time. I don't tend to do that, and I had to close my eyes a couple, 2 or 3 times, because I started getting just a little bit dizzy. So just be mindful of that. If you're prone to motion sickness, you probably want to skip this one, okay? But if you're just a scaredy cat like me, go ahead and try it, because it is a fun ride. It's not completely terrifying. I wondered if it would be, but it is not. It's really fun. So I think the ride opens up closer to the end of this month. So hopefully when you come to Disney World, you'll be able to get on and enjoy. And it has good music, by the way. Really good music.
2,000 years later.
Future Courtney here. Okay, so we're not rewinding, we're fast forwarding. If you see some little ears pop up down here, it's Annie. She's glad that I'm home. So I just wanted to end the video and just reiterate how great the ride is, how fun, how thrilling the ride is. There's no loop-de-loops, there's no crazy drops or anything like that. I know if you're a scaredy cat like me, those are important things to know before you get on a ride like this. I tend to preview rides, so I get it. I believe the height requirement is going to be 42 inches on this ride. It's geared more towards teens and adults, I would say. It's just a wild ride, it really is. So if you're prone to motion sickness, please be mindful of that. Again, because the cars they don't just go on the track, they kind of spin around as you're going on the track. So either close your eyes or you may want to skip this one depending upon how bad your motion sickness gets. So it was great. I can't wait to see you guys' pictures and videos of this. The ride officially opens May 27th. I was able to preview it as an annual pass holder and thoroughly enjoyed it. So if you go after May 27th, you should be able to purchase a Lightning Lane, get on Disney Genie Plus, and see if you can get a time slot and ride this ride. So I did not film the actual ride because during the pre-show, I took it quite literally. When I was told, you know, during the pre-show, no one is to be filming, I didn't film. Plus the fact, I just wanted to enjoy it the first time. And all you would have heard is me screaming really loudly and the camera probably going everywhere. So it wouldn't have been a good video. So I'm sure there are other previews out there where you can see the actual ride as they're going through it. There's some POV videos that I have already checked them out before going to my preview. So anyway, you can check those out, but if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I will be on the road again very, very soon, and we'll see you the next time on the next adventure.